All right, so today's the day. Finally, we're getting a tow truck here to get it towed to the shop. Most of the stuff came in. I think we're waiting on like one more small part, but at least we can get started on it. We got everything loaded into the truck: the splitter, the spoiler. These diffusers go under the rear bumper. We got the control arm inside the trunk, and I got the rest of the stuff. Damn. We got the rest of the stuff at the house. This is the upper front control arm. These are all the bezels. I already showed you guys that in the last video. And then we have the spoiler right over here. This is the one that we're going to be fixing. We got to take the brackets off the old broken one and make that one work. But once the tow truck gets here, we're going to load it up, take it to the shop, and fix the suspension before we get started working on it. Yeah. Oh, they do?
Yeah, you cannot hook it to anything. Yeah.
Yeah.
The control arm. These are rear-wheel drive. Control arm.
Zane, turn the wheel to the left. Yeah. More, is that good? Should you turn it more, is that good? Okay. Alright, make it straight. That bumper's gonna screw it up. Yeah, I know. Can't really do much about it. Yeah.
If it was solid, I would have picked it up with the bed.
Yeah.
But it's there's plastic.
Right,
so
right.
you need, you know.
It just needs a little bit of clearance. It should make it.
Yeah. I'm gonna go like slow with it, so it
All right.
that pump out first.
I'll watch it for you.
Yeah.
It's getting repainted anyways. You're almost there.
Yeah.
There's too much weight in it. Huh?
You cannot reach this number. This is an emergency line.
You should be fine.
No, yeah.
Watch your light. What's that? You might as well go fast with it, right? Go ahead, you good? You good? Yeah, we got some bigger wood at the shop, right?
But at the shop, it's not going to need a wood. It's not going to be at the same.
All right.
It's gonna be mostly flat.
There we go. Wait, hold on.
What is it?
The wood got stuck on the.
On the tank? Oh, wait. Let me release it.
Hold on. You good?
Yeah.
All right, you're good now. All right, she's loaded up. Now we're gonna take her to the shop, and I hope it doesn't scratch as bad going down. That bumper got almost ripped off. All right, she's all loaded up. Now we're gonna take her to the shop. We got the Ram following with the rest of the parts, and I still got parts at the house, so I gotta grab those too. And hopefully we'll start on this Saturday. Today's Thursday. But damn, that doesn't look good. Cut that out. You want to try starting it? Coulda, woulda, shoulda. That's a real small battery, though.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said let's get the big ass fusion battery. I got you. $25.
All right, try it out.
Hold up, I still gotta turn it on the drum. Go ahead.
Hold on 1 second.
Go ahead. That's it.
Try it.
It never starts. It's got a backup camera now.
Hell, I think so. Yeah, it does.
Oh, another back tire like this.
Yeah, you gotta kick it. Hey, you're wearing work shoes. Kick it.
Not pleasant.
Kick hard. There you go. Harder.
Oh, fuck, I'm up.
There you go. Kick Asa. That was our advantage. Yeah. You're good. It's all good. You good? You good? What's that? No, that's how they are. You can't drive stick? You can't drive stick? Well, it has no gas. Literally not an inch. Back it up. That's good.
Come a little bit forward for the table. A little bit more? That's right there.
That's fine. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Unless you want it closer here.
It has no gas. All right, guys, I'm back at the house. As you can see, the engine is pulled out of the 300. I ended up pulling that out last night. I stayed up till like 6 in the morning to get it done. But everything is over here. This one is going to be for sale as well. $1,000 for everything. Has 40,000 miles. Cats are not included, but the PCM will come with it. These wheels, I think I already talked to you guys about the wheels. I want $800 for these wheels. Right over here. They're in pretty good shape with tires, so that's not a bad deal on those. So probably by tomorrow, I should have the engine pulled out of the Hellcat and then into the Chrysler. If not tomorrow, then it's gonna be the day after for sure. But we have a lot of stuff going on, so I'm trying to manage time properly. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, man. We're gonna start that Viper build tomorrow. Not tomorrow, the day after, Saturday. We're gonna start doing the suspension on it, making sure it's running dry before we start doing the body work. I'm really excited for that, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. Hit that like button, and I'll see you back on the next one.